Hello, good morning friends. Myself Rupali Shevare. Today I am going to explain you how to create a Moodle account on Moodle Cloud. So first of all, go to the Google Chrome. Just click on moodlecloud.com website. Then click on Get Started for free. So after that you have to click on Get Started under free options. Then click on Create New Account. So accept or click on all these options. Then click on Next. So you have to fill all the details to create the account. Tick these options. I wish to receive the Moodle Cloud news, tips and updates. Then click on Next button. So it will ask the site name. So you can type the site name here. Then just click on Next button. Then it will ask the verification code. Check it on your mobile. So it will send the message and enter that verification code and just click on Next. So your account will be created. Then after that you have to go to the moodlecloud.com. In moodlecloud.com directly go to the sign in button. After sign in, enter your account name, enter the password, then click on login button. So this screen will be appear in front of you. So this is the Moodle Cloud screen. So now I will explain you how to create a course on Moodle site, how to manage that course, how the self-enrollment is given to the participants. So just click on Home button. So now today we have to create our own course and that access will be given to the students. So after that click on Site Administration. In Site Administration click on Courses tab. Then click on Manage Course and Categories. So click on Create New Course. So you can type the name of the course here. Suppose we want to create the OER activity course. So you can type here name of the course OER activity. In short, you can type any name. So after that, course category is miscellaneous there. Course visibility must be shown. And you can change the date also. You can assign here starting date and course end date. So here the starting date is 15 December and 2018 and end date is 2019 of 15 December. So after that you have to click on Save and Display. So your course is created now. So go to the Home button. OER activity course is available now on Moodle site. Just click on this course. This course is shown here. Under the OER activity, now we have to enter the number of topics, and under these topics you can add the n number of contents and that access will be given to the students. Now how to add the topics under this course? Just click on this course OER activity. So before that you have to must turn on the editing option, turn editing on. After turn editing on, you can modify the topics or whatever you want to change. So now already I have created this OER activity. Under this OER activity I have added the one PPT is here under the introduction to computer network, then quiz on this computer network PPTs which I have been added here. Then I have to add the video also. So feedback survey is added here, discussion forum is also added here. So how to add that particular topic on your Moodle course? Just click on add topic. So I have to add one topic here. Just enter the number of sections, add topic. So whatever name you want to give here, you can give here name of that topic. Suppose my topic name is computer network. So after typing the name, press enter, enter tab. Name will be appeared. Then click on add an activity or resource. Now I have to add the PPTs. So select the options file, then click on add button. I have selected file options. So enter the name of the file. Then select the file which you want to add. Upload file from your drive. I have selected that particular file. Upload this file. File is uploaded. Then click on save and display. Now under this computer network course, CN PPTs are added here. See. So when you click on this CN PPTs, you can show the PPTs over here. Now I want to add the quiz. So again click on add topics. Add topic. Quiz. We can enter here name of the topic quiz. Entered. How to add quiz on Moodle Cloud? Go to again add an activity or resource. I have to select the option quiz. Select quiz option, then click on add button. Enter the name of the quiz. Save and display. So you can edit the quiz. Add the number of questions you want to add here. Add new questions. Click on multiple choice questions. Add questions. So question name is suppose 1. Add the text. I have added questions. Now you can give the options. Then it assign the grade. Second option, you can add the feedback also about your answer. You can give the number of choices here. sorry. So save and continue. Now same way you can add the n number of questions to your quiz. Follow the same steps. See, the question is added here. If you want to again add the n number of questions, just click on add and a new questions. Go to the again your OER activity. Now PPTs are added here. Same way you can add the PDF files also. You can add the videos also. If you want to now add the feedback for your course, so you can go here, add topic first. Now we have to add the feedback. So click on add an activity or resources. Select the feedback survey button. Just click on add button. Give the name of feedback. So that feedback survey option is visible to you. Just edit the questions in feedback. You can create again the questions on feedback. Choose the questions. Multiple choice questions we have selected. So enter the questions. So same way you can create the n number of questions on feedback. See, feedback question is added over here. So same way you can add the n number of questions for the feedback also. Now we again return back to your activities. Now same way we have to add the discussion forum. Just click on add an activity resource. Select the forum options and click on add button. The discussion forum will be added over here. Same way under the discussion forum we can add the questions, or user can give the comments on discussion forum also. So we have created this course under the Moodle Cloud account. Now how to give the self-enrollment for your course? Just go to the participants and click on these options. Go to the enrollment method. Here the manual enrollment should be enabled here. So guest access should be enabled and self-enrollment should be enabled. Now this is disabled. So we have to enable it by clicking on it. So again self-enrollment option. This is disabled. Now we can enable it by clicking on it. Now self-enrollment is also activated for this course. Now same way I have created this OER activity for all of you. Just introduction to computer network. Click on this PPTs. You can see this PPTs. Refer this PPTs. See, these PPTs are open here. So these PPTs are helpful for you. So refer these PPTs. Then on this PPTs I have given the quiz. So click on CN quiz tab. So quiz will be open. So you can attempt the quiz.